How to unhide home screen pages on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your home page, right? Now, as you can see here, if I swipe through my home screen pages here, you will see two, right? Now, if you long press that, as you can see, there are now three. Now, to be able to unhide your home screen pages is you just have to tap on pages icon here. And as you can see, I have two check marks there. That means those pages are actually seen. So if unchecked it, that means I have actually hidden that home screen. So let's just tap on done here. Now as you can see, it will automatically go here. That means I have hidden that home screen. Now let's do it again and tap our pages here. To be able to unhide our home screen is just tap on and put a check mark on that page to add that home screen page back again to public. Tap on done. Now if you swipe here, you can now see this home page. And basically that is how you unhide home screen pages on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.